We have to elevate. You have to learn how to delegate. And then you also got to ask yourself, what should I eliminate? You think digging a ditch by hand can make more money than digging a ditch using a piece of machinery? Of course not. You can make so much more because you can be more productive, create more results, and help more people. Learn a different skill. Step your game up. When you're digging the ditch, what are you listening to? What are you feeding your brain with? When you're not digging the ditch and you're at home and you're sitting there chilling out watching whatever bullshit you watch, why not just step back and watch and start writing, start reading, start listening to podcast shows? You have to eliminate. Most of you guys are doing stuff you shouldn't even be doing. It's not going to do anything for you. You're busy as hell. But are you productive? Is it wild to me that so many people are so busy and yet their bank account remains the same or goes less? Why is that? Why? How are you so busy and your bank account's not growing drastically? Maybe it's because you're working on the wrong things. Maybe it's because you're focused on nothing. Have you ever considered what you could not do and still create the same results? Have you ever considered that? There's probably a third of the things you're doing daily that you probably could not do and still get the same results, if not better results. Why? Because you have more time to focus on the things that are producing. Not every action is created equal. We know that, right? Not every action is created equal. They're all important pieces of the puzzle. That's what I talked about 2 weeks ago about I don't believe in self-made. We're all team-made. I wouldn't be here. Beacon's helping me do the video. You know, I have teams helping me do audio. I have teams helping me do my books. I have teams helping me run my companies. I have teams around me. I have teams helping me with my personal financial goals. I have teams around me. I can't do it on my own. When I tried to do everything on my own, I made little money and I was more stressed and more frustrated. You got to take the mule mentality out of this brain. It's not serving you. It can't. Some pieces will get you to where you're at. Is it going to get you to where you want to go? You have to start thinking about that. You have to really start dialing that in. And then you start reverse engineering your activities to get the results. If you say, Mark, I want to build 10 houses a month. I have the land, but I don't have the money. Well, you need money and you need teams. My first question would be, how much money can you get today? How many teams can you put on the market? Like, you need foundation crews, you need electrical crew, framing crew. I mean, there's a lot of pieces here. Do you have them? And if no, well, how many times are you talking about it? Who are you talking to about money? Who are you talking to about hiring? Who are you talking to about staging? Who's going to do the project management? You start asking different questions to get different results. Data, not drama.
Kevin's DM, I'm here to help and teach him what I know and how I did it to discover freedom. There ain't no question, Mark Evans when he step in the door. He's